Welcome. Today we're diving into an exciting feature on Pinterest that allows you to search for images using your own photos. This updated method makes it easier than ever to find similar content or products. Let's get started with the steps you need to follow. First, open the Pinterest app on your mobile device. If you haven't downloaded it yet, head to your app store and install it. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by a visually appealing interface filled with pins tailored to your interests. Next, from the bottom menu, click on the search icon. This is typically represented by a magnifying glass and is your gateway to discovering new ideas and inspirations based on your queries. Now here comes the fun part. Click on the camera icon located in the search bar. This feature allows you to either take a new photo or choose an existing one from your gallery. If you decide to capture a new image, make sure it's well lit and clearly shows the item you want to search for. Alternatively, if you have a specific picture in mind, simply select it from your device. After selecting your image, Pinterest will process it and display results related to what's in that photo. You'll see a variety of similar images and pins that match or resemble the item you've uploaded. This visual search capability is incredibly powerful, especially if you're looking for inspiration or trying to find where to buy a product. Finally, browse through your search results. You can scroll through the images Pinterest presents to find exactly what you're looking for. Whether it's home decor, fashion items, or DIY projects, this feature helps you discover new ideas that align with your interests. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, opening the app, clicking on search, selecting the camera icon, and exploring your results, you can easily search for something from an image on Pinterest. Enjoy exploring and let your creativity flow with all the new ideas at your fingertips.